The 2015 Mercedes GL-Class. This 7-passenger luxury SUV has a great deal of interior space without huge exterior dimensions. The third row seat is roomy enough for all adults. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, climate control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.